SafePal Wallet app review. Thinking about diving into crypto and need a secure wallet before you download anything? Today we're reviewing the SafePal Wallet app, what it gets right, where it falls short, and whether it's worth your trust. SafePal is a multi-chain crypto wallet launched in 2018 backed by Binance. It supports thousands of tokens across major blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB Chain, Solana, and more. Air gap security with QR code signing, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no USB, and supports over 10,000 tokens and NFTs. Offers both software and hardware wallets as one S1 Pro and the new X1, built in the app browser and staking options. Among its pros would be its easy to use interface, strong security features, affordable hardware options, and active development and community. But among its cons would be the limited customer support, occasional syncing issues, and hardware wallet lacks touchscreen. Users praise its security and simplicity, but some report bugs during updates, so always check for the latest version and firmware. If you're looking for a secure, budget-friendly wallet with multi-chain support, SafePal is a solid choice. Just be cautious with third-party D apps and keep your firmware updated.